With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's start the question. Calculate the normality of 18 volume hydrogen peroxide solution. So 18 volume hydrogen peroxide solution means 18 volume H2O2 means that 1 liter of H2O2 will liberate 18 liters of O2. 18 liters of O2. So what will be the actual reaction taking place is H2O2 will decompose into H2O plus O2. To balance the reaction, we'll put 2 over here and 2 over here. So what does this mean is that H2O2 required for 1 mole of O2, that is 22.4 liters of O2, is 2 moles, that is 68 grams. Therefore, H2O2 required for 18 liters of O2 equals to 68 by 22.4 into 18. When we will calculate this, we'll get it as 54.64. This implies strength of H2O2. Strength of H2O2 equals to 54.64. We have to calculate the normality. So first we'll calculate the gram equivalents. Now gram equivalents is nothing but strength which is in gram per liter divided by equivalent weight, that is 70. When we will calculate this, this will turn out to be 3.214. So now we can calculate the normality, which is defined as gram equivalents divided by n factor. So 3.214 divided by n factor of H2O2 is 1, which is equal to 3.214. So option 2 will be the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.